Welcome back to Faraday's Juniors channel. Today we are going to explore on how to solve gamma of what fractions. We've already established that anytime we have we have gamma of what 1 on 2 is always equal to root of what pi. Okay, so having this in mind, then it's going to help us to analyze most of our fractions. So let's say we have gamma of 3 on 2. Remember that we have already established that anytime we have gamma of x, we can rewrite it in the form of what? Gamma of what? X plus 1, which is the same as what? X gamma what? Gamma x. This relationship is very important. Okay. Now, gamma of 3 on 2 can be equal to what? Gamma of 1 on 2 plus 1. Because if you add these together, you're going to get what? 3 on 2. Which we can rewrite it as what? Gamma of what? 1 on 2 of gamma of half. Remember, we've already established that if you have gamma of x plus 1 is the same as x gamma x. In this case, the value of x is the same as the half, okay? So it means that what? We can rewrite this same function as what? 1 on 2. Then we know that gamma of what? 1 on 2 is the same as what? Pi. Okay. So this will give us what? Pi of on 2 like this. So this is the result of what? Solving gamma of what? 3 on 2. Okay. Similarly, if you have, let's say, gamma of what? 3, if you have gamma of 5 on 2, this is the same as what? So let's rewrite this in another form. Gamma of 3 on 2 plus 1. Okay. And this can be written as what? 3 on 2 gamma what? 3 on 2. Okay. Now we don't have any relationship for 3 on 2. So we can solve this one to get 3 on 2 multiplied by gamma of what? 3 on 2 can be written as what? 1 on 2 plus what? 1. Gamma of 1 on 2 plus 1. Which we can move further to say that what? 3 on 2 multiplied by, this can also be written as 1 on 2 gamma what? 1 on 2, which is the same as what? 3 on 4. Gamma of 1 on 2 is the same as what? Pi. Okay. So this will give us 3 root of pi all divided by what? 4. So this is the result of what? Result of solving gamma of what? 3 on what? 5 on 2, sorry. Now let's explore gamma of what? 7 on 2. So gamma of 7 on 2 can be equal to gamma of, so let's divide this one into 2. We can rewrite it as 5 on 2 plus 1. 7 on 2 can be written as 5 on 2 plus 1. Which of course is the same as what? 5 on 2 gamma 5 on 2 according to our relation, right? Gamma 5 on 2. So let's solve the 5 on 2 in another form again. So this can be the same as 5 on 2. Gamma of 5 on 2 can also be written as what? 5 on 2 can be written as what? 3 on 2 plus 1, right? Which of course is the same as what? 5 on 2 times rewriting this one in another form, which will give us 3 on 2 gamma of what? 3 on 2, right? This is the gamma, sorry. So it means that we are going to get what? 15 on 4 gamma of what? 3 on 2. Which of course we can still deal with it and get 15 on 4 gamma of 3 on 2 is the same as what? 1 on 2 plus 1. Of course, the relation can help us to rewrite it again. X on x, right? So this can be 15 on 4 multiplied by 1 on 2 gamma of what? 1 on 2. So it means that our result will be 15 on what? 8 gamma of 1 on 2 is the same as what? Root of what? Pi. So it means that the result will give us what? 15 root of what? Pi all divided by 8. So this is the result of solving gamma of 7 on 2. Thank you very much.